Get real. Get a really great looking lawn, that is, with the Mojo MJ500M manual reel mower from Sunjoe. Mojo handles tough turf with ease and provides a quiet, eco-friendly solution for any lawn. MJ500M comes equipped with a durable rear collection bag to make your cleanup work fast and easy. Powered by you, the Mojo has a 16-inch wide cutting path for a crisp cut that will be the envy of the entire neighborhood. The adjustment lever, featuring 4 convenient settings, lets you easily select the height that's just right. 5 razor reel steel blades quickly make light work of any lawn. Mojo's comfortable, non-slip foam grip handle improves control and handling, so you get maximum results with each pass. Backed by Sunjoe's full 2-year worry-free warranty, it's the manual mower you can count on to keep cutting season after season. For a greener, cleaner yard, go with Joe. The Mojo MJ500M manual reel mower from Sunjoe. Get equipped.